everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seat from the 28th to the 24th of February 2023 on Monday. The Bengals are rocked by the news of a paternity test, except for Nkululeko, who seems to take it in his stride. Shreya has a heart-to-heart with her aunt and asks Maharaj why he has kept her away all these years. Figile's cousins rolls into town and immediately makes an impression on Nkululeko on Tuesday. Sibongile finds out that Nokuzola has moved into the Bengo house. Sibongile arrives to find Zitulele kissing Nokuzola and Nozi. Maharaj wants Maduri to keep away from Shreya, but Shreya is intrigued to get to know the Maharaj's side of her family better on Wednesday. Poppy and Tandega both pitch to Figile to be manager. Tusheleni arrives asking for his old job back, and Figile announces Bato as the new trial manager. The crew are upset that Bato is a manager instead of one of them, and Bato put them in their place. Maharaj has a strange reaction to the petunias on the memorial plaque. Nirupa's curiosity is piqued on Thursday. Nirupa is moved by Vivek's reaction to discovering his children and decide to reunite them by inviting them all to dinner. When Vivek arrives, Maharaj and Maduri are overcome with fear and flee. The Msamo staff are offered or offended at Bato's high-handedness, and Lindiwe hatches a plan to sabotage him. Sibongile locks Nokuzola out of Zitulele's room, and the argument wakes Mandlovu. On Friday, Shreya and Nirupa hear the true story of how Vivek treated Maharaj and Maduri and their mother. And Zimele tells Nkululeko that because Nozi is a girl, he should not go ahead with the DNA test, but Figile encouraged him to fight for what he believes is true. Sibongile causes more tension when she asserts that Nkululeko has a right to challenge the test results. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.